Welcome to my channel. Friends, a living room, often referred to as a sitting room or lounge, is a central area in a home where people gather for relaxation, socializing and entertainment. It is typically one of the most versatile and frequently used space in a house, serving as a communal area for family members and guests. So today we will explore living room designs. Friends, living room often have a central decor theme that reflect the homeowner's style, whether modern, traditional, rustic or eclectic. The color scheme in a living room sets the moods. Neutral tones create a calming environment, while bold colors can make the space feel vibrant and dynamic. A combination of natural and artificial lighting is important. Large windows allow for natural light during the day, while layered lighting is used to create different atmosphere. Friends, many living rooms have a focal point such as a fireplace, large window or a piece of art around which the furniture and decor are arranged. Friends, comfort is a key characteristic of living rooms. Sofas, chairs and other furniture pieces should be inviting and comfortable, often complemented by cushions and throws. Friends, hope you will enjoy this video. Please subscribe my channel for such more contents. Thanks. Allah Hafiz.